Let's go back to the starters. Ned Yost mentioned Johnny Cueto starting Game 3, which is Game 1 at the Rogers Center. He has a little bit of a history in pitching in front of a raucous environment. The Rogers Center is absolutely that right now.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, if you're a Blue Jays fan, bring the noise when Johnny Cueto's on the mound. Bring it nonstop. I mean, a couple of years ago, this guy had one of the most memorable postseason meltdowns in Pittsburgh when he was with Cincinnati. You see in the footage there, he dropped the ball. Now, these two teams hate each other. We talked about the National League Central. They hate each other. This crowd got in his head. What happens in the next pitch? Russ Martin, home run. Total meltdown. So this is just between us, Blue Jays fans, and you and me.
Thank you.
If you're going to the Rogers Center for Game 1, be really loud. Don't throw stuff, but be as loud as you can ever be, because this is exactly the type of guy that'll be affected by that type of crowd.
All right, so tell your friends if you're going on Monday. Jeff Blair said to be very, very loud.
Bring noisemakers.
Bring noisemakers. More instructions to come, I'm sure, as well.